So now we'll talk about our conclusion of the consumer's equilibrium. As I told you that the consumer's equilibrium is under the IC analysis is obtained by adding the concept of the indifference curve and the budget line, right? It shows the consumer's choices and it shows that what the consumer requires to do, or it simply shows the choices of the market, how the market has priced the various goods. The first condition of the equilibrium is MRS XY is equal to PX upon PY, or I can simply say that slope of IC is equal to slope of budget line, or MRS XY is equal to MRE XY, or it is simply, we know that MRE is the ratio of the prices, so PX upon PY. This is the first condition of the consumer's equilibrium. Now just to understand it, remember the definition of MRS, right? The definition of MRS says that it is the rate at which the consumer is willing to sacrifice one good to gain one additional unit of the other good. While MRE is the rate at which the consumer needs to sacrifice one good for the other, for one good unit of the other good. So when the consumers, and remember this is decided by the market, the prices are decided by the market, and this is decided by the choices are decided by the consumer. So when the consumer choice is equal to the value of the goods given by the market, then he is said to be in equilibrium. It means that he is valuing the goods in the same way as the market is valuing them. He is a rational consumer. So this is the logic behind the whole condition, and this is a very important condition. Very often it is asked in the form of question and answer. So whenever you are to explain it, you have to write that MRS XY is equal to PX upon PY. It simply means that the slope of the indifference curve is equal to the slope of the budget line, and then you have to define. It means that if the willingness of the consumer at which he is willing to substitute the goods tally with the rate at which he needs to substitute the goods, that point is said to be his equilibrium, right? Then there is one more condition, that is the second condition of the consumer's equilibrium. If a general question is asked what is explain consumer equilibrium, you need to explain both the conditions. Second condition is diminishing MRS, or you can say that IC should be